What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install. Jeez, I put this on. This son of a gun is tight. Oh. Woo! Drain that oil. Look at this oil, it's filthy, and look at the pan, it's barely filling up. This thing's probably 3 quarts low. You know, either you buy a new $20,000 car or you do your $20 oil changes, $30 oil changes frequently, because, you know, if you run your car and it burns out of oil, your engine's gonna seize up and you're gonna be out at least, you know, thousands of dollars to replace the engine or a new car. Pretty much the most important thing on a car is keeping your oil change schedule frequent and your coolant, making sure you have coolant and oil at all times. You know, this could have reduced the engine life by maybe 20%. You know, it's hard to say. And you know, if you have a newer car, I recommend always using a synthetic oil, because it's going to give the engine less wear and tear and you're going to get more mileage out of it. It's on conventional oil change, regular oil. He's got, I think, 11,000 miles on it. Alright. Jeez, look how dirty it is, guys. This thing is maybe at about 2 quarts, so this is a 5 1/8 quart engine capacity. So it's over 3 quarts low. It's filthy, it's watery, it's completely worn out. Do not do this to your engine, guys. Keep up on your regular oil changes and you're going to get the most mileage out of your car. I guess he does a lot of in-city driving down here in Los Angeles, so that can really eat up the oil, you know, those short trips and stuff. You know, a little further and his engine could have seized completely. He was complaining to me that the engine had started vibrating, you know, and I told him to check the oil, check the mileage, and he told me, and I said, you need to get it in right away to do an oil change. So here we are. Look at this blackness. That's the 11,000 mile oil change. That was 3 quarts low. Blackest I've ever seen. Sludgy too. Alright, that looks good. So I just finished up changing the oil, and I got it full synthetic in it now, so it looks good. But the damage is probably done quite a bit of damage to the engine and the longevity of it. So, you know, I think the most important thing to do is keep up on your routine oil changes if you want to get the longest life out of your engine, guys. Alright, and that's it, guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out my page. Subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching Jonny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.